In the building supply space, there's a number of challenges that customers face that we typically help solve for. First and foremost, building supply is a highly competitive industry. People can get shingles from anywhere, but they want to get the product from the building supply distributor that shows up on time, delivers in full, so that their job crews that are on site waiting for the materials can count on them to show up. One thing I didn't appreciate when I first started at Descartes, a single route with 8 stops can be run in over 43,000 different combinations, and only one of them is the most efficient. So it's a very complicated puzzle, and that complexity scales dramatically as you add multiple trucks and multiple routes and multiple branches. To ask a router to solve that problem every day and to find the most efficient path for you to make your deliveries is asking a lot. So we empower customers with tools where in 5 minutes or less, they can hit a button. It builds the most efficient routes possible.
Before Descartes, we were going strictly off of paperwork and looking at visual maps on the board, looking at whiteboards. So the difference for us is a lot more efficient and faster to create those routes and end up, saving us more time creating more deliveries in a day.
The use of the technology has really exceeded the expectation. When we're looking at planning routes, how many deliveries can we get in a day? Is that an acceptable time frame? So using Descartes to plan out minute by minute where that truck is going to be, even through breaks and fuel stops. Prior to that, it is a guesstimate of time using Google Maps to try to plan out the day, and then you're just taking a guess. Also, using the technology allows anybody to get into that platform to see where those trucks are at so that we can squeeze in another delivery for a customer. Ultimately, looking at our customer service as the standard, and that's what we want to continue with, is the level of customer service. If we can increase that in any way, this platform is really helping us do that.
We enable workflows, and the workflows are important because one of the problems that building supply distributors come to us with is, hey, we delivered all the product, we delivered in full, but it goes missing on the job site. In that context, what happens is companies often give a courtesy credit to the builder, their customer, so they take a loss. And in the building supply space, 1% to 3% of top line revenue historically would go missing because of these credits. So we empower our customers with a mobile workflow so that when the driver delivers, they have to get evidence, so they take photos. And once the driver pulls off the property, an email goes to the customer. So a very timely message saying, here's what was delivered, here's proof. And through that proof delivery process, we help customers retain that 1% to 3% that historically was given out in courtesy credits, so to help them improve profitability.
Before we had the proof of delivery, it was a he said, she said. So in those times, we're going to side with the customer and make sure that we take care of them to our best of our ability. Today, we can actually see in real time where we've placed that. Did we get the proper instructions accomplished? Did we have the right material, the right color? And then we can communicate that with our customer. So if there is an issue, we can better investigate on the other side of that if it's not something that we've created. One of the main things with customers that have multiple deliveries in a day are able to see their deliveries in real time as they're being delivered to the job site. So the feedback's been very positive. Pertaining to the pictures that we're taking and sending to the customers as well, they're able to see that the material that they did order is correct, in the correct location that they've asked for when we place the delivery. So everything that's been received back to us in feedback has been for the positive.
The biggest impact for us on the technology we're putting in place is first and foremost the customer impact. So we are seeing customer satisfaction, customer visibility. They know exactly where their delivery is, when it's going to be there, and what we actually delivered. That was the most important for us, and we've achieved that goal. The next for us in technology is efficiencies. So we're working on that now, and we've seen some increases in efficiencies, and we're looking to make that even better.